Welcome to the final video. This is where everything comes together, the player screen, where MyMusic actually plays audio using ExoPlayer, handles user controls, and updates the UI in real time. When the user selects a song, the app opens the player screen and receives the complete list of songs, the index of the selected song, and these two pieces of data allow the player screen to load the entire playlist and start playback from the correct position. The player UI is built entirely with Jetpack Compose. At the top, there is a back button so users can return to the song list. In the center, the app displays the album artist of the selected song. If no album artist exists, the app falls back to the default music icon. Below the album artist, the UI shows the song title in large text and the artist name in a slightly smaller style. Both are centered to create a clean, modern look. The next major element in this is the progress bar, which displays the current playback position. This progress bar is interactive. Users can drag it to sync to a different part of the track. To make this work, the UI periodically reads two values from ExoPlayer: current position and duration. These values update the compose state, which in turn updates the slider. Below the progress bar, we have the playback controls: previous, play and pause, and next. If I want, I can easily add shuffle or repeat modes later, because ExoPlayer supports them natively. Let's talk about the actual integration with ExoPlayer. When the screen loads, I initialize an ExoPlayer instance and convert each song into a media item. I then feed the entire playlist to ExoPlayer using setMediaItems. After preparing the player, I call seek2 index 0 to position it at the selected song, and then start playback. I also register a playback listener. This allows the app to detect whether the player is playing or paused, know when a song ends, and automatically skip to the next song. For example, when ExoPlayer reports that the state is state ended, I update current song index and restart playback with the next track. Handling the player pause and play button is straightforward. If ExoPlayer is currently playing, a tab pause it. If it's paused, a tab resumes playback. Compose automatically updates the UI icon based on the is playing state. And lastly, it's important to clean up after ourselves. When the user leaves the player screen, I call ExoPlayer.release inside a disposable effect to prevent memory leaks and free audio resources. To grab things up, the player screen showcases a combination of real-time state updates in Jetpack Compose, a smooth, reliable playback powered by ExoPlayer, and modern minimal UI design. The result is a clean and functional music player experience that feels like a professional Android app. That concludes the presentation of MyMusic app. This project gave me a hands-on experience with advanced Android concepts, including data access with Media Store, banner UI development with Compose, and multimedia playback with ExoPlayer. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you want to see the source code, ask questions, or suggest new features.